You can see there is one column which I am interested in. It's called weekday. So that spits out number 1 through 7. 1 for Sunday and 7 for Saturday. Let me try to name this as number of complaints on weekends. So that is exactly what we wanted to calculate in this measure. So is equal to, let us try to use sum x function. Again, it's an iterator function. It expects a table as a first argument, and also it expects an expression. So the table, let us try, the logic is that we have the calendar table, we have a weekday, right? So we want to bring that here. So what we could do is we can add a filter here instead of directly passing the table here. Let us try to wrap that around filter function. And the filter function, the table would be the calendar table. And for the filter expression, let us try to build some logic here. So let us try to use the OR function. And OR function is pretty good. And the OR function, the value is true if any of the two arguments is true. And we know that we have 1 and 7 for the weekends. So let us try to add logical 1, calendar table weekday equal to 1. That will be the first logical one condition. And for the second condition, we have the calendar table weekday equal to 7. So that way, again, this OR function will give you the value is true if any of the two arguments are true. That is exactly what we wanted, right? If it is either 1 or 7, give me a filter that table. That is exactly what we want. So we will close this parenthesis. And this is we are feeding this table for the sum x function. And for the expression, we want to calculate the number of complaints. So let us try to pass that here for the sum x function. So I think we are pretty good with this code. So we have that measure ready, right? So the next thing is we want to calculate for the weekdays. So I think we can use the same code. Let us try to go to the same measure, copy this code, and let us try to create a new measure here and paste that code here. And we can just try to tweak it right here. So let us try to change the name of the measure first. Let us make it as a number of complaints on weekdays. And instead of OR function, we will use the AND function. So AND function checks whether both arguments are true. That is what we want. So for the logical one, what we can do is calendar table weekday is not equal to 1. Or not, the second condition will be calendar table weekday not equal to 7. So we have created those two measures calculating the number of complaints during weekdays and weekends. So it's a pretty easy method. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.